Hey guys, welcome to Scrummy Kitchen. Today I'll be making one of the most popular Sindhi breakfast, which is dal pakwan. It is very easy, simple and delicious, and I know this is something new to you people, but this is really tasty. You will love this recipe. Yeah, so here I have the ingredients for this recipe, but these ingredients are for the dough. So for the dough I have taken 2 cups of maida, 2 tablespoons of hot oil, that is sunflower oil, and 2 tablespoons of suji or rava, some salt, half cup of water, and here I have 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and here I have taken 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Basically they don't add sesame seeds, but then for me I think sesame seeds would give you an extra flavor, and I love the aroma of sesame seeds, and that is why I'm adding, but this is purely optional. If you wish you can add. So without wasting time, let's start preparing the dough. So for preparing the dough, here I've taken a bowl. To this I am adding the maida. Now to this I am adding the ajwain, cumin seeds and sesame seeds. Now I am adding the suji, some salt. I've added the oil. Now gently rub the flour. Just mix it. Now to this I am adding the water. Now start mixing this. Knead the dough for at least 5 minutes. So now the dough is ready. See? Now rest this dough for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's start preparing the dal. So here I have the ingredients for the dal. So first, here I have taken 1 cup of gram dal or chana dal, which has been soaked for 1 hour. See? So soak it for 1 hour. Okay, for that I have taken 3 cups of water. So 1 cup of dal and 3 cups of water, salt, and here I have half teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, and here I have 1/4 teaspoon of amchur powder. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized tomato, finely chopped, 3 green chilies slitted, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few coriander leaves for the garnishing, and some garam masala for garnishing, 2 teaspoon of ghee. So that is all. Now let's start preparing the dal. I have taken a pressure cooker, and to this I am adding this chana dal. Now to this I am adding the water. Now close this. Now cook this dal on 5 whistles. Okay, so you have to cook this on 5 whistles. This is ready. I'll remove the whistle. Now you can see this. The dal has cooked. So now let's start preparing the dal. So here I have taken a kadai. To this I am adding the ghee. Now the ghee is heated up. To this I am adding the cumin seeds and chili. With this I am adding the chopped tomatoes. Mix this well. To this I am adding some salt. Mix this. Now the tomato is cooked. To this I am adding the masala. Mix this well. So cook this until the raw smell goes. Now at this stage I am adding the chana dal. Mix this well. Now to this I am gonna add a secret ingredient, which is nothing but jaggery. I have taken some jaggery. Add this. This jaggery will give a a very little bit of sweet flavor, which is really good for the dal. So now cook this for about 5 minutes until the dal gets thickened. So now this is ready. See, at this stage, let's start garnishing. So now I am adding some coriander leaves and garam masala. Now mix this. So now this is ready. The dal is ready. Now let's start preparing the puri. So now once again knead this. This shouldn't be too soft. It should be a little hard, and that's what will be good for the puri. So now let's start flattening the puri. Here I've taken a small ball. See, now just press this, dust some flour and start rolling this. So now start rolling this. First, I'll just show you how to make. Now at this stage, I'm taking a small box or bowl just to cut into a round shape. See, like this. So I hope you can see this. Now remove this. Now when it is like this, just make some holes with the fork. Like this. So same like this, do the rest. Now this is ready. Now here I have taken a kadai and I have added some oil. Don't add too much oil. This oil is for frying the puris. Now let's start frying it. Now add one. Just follow the way like how I'm doing it. Keep pressing it. It's ready, so it has to turn into a nice golden brown color. For the rest, I'll be doing the same process. So now the super delicious Sindhi breakfast, that is dal pakwan, is ready. See, now you can see this. Wow. So now dip into this. See how nice it is. So I hope you like this recipe. So if you like this recipe, like the video, share the video, comment the video, and do not forget to subscribe Scrummy Kitchen. For more notifications, hit the bell button. Thank you.